low frequency just, it throws even better. Yeah, it hits your chest on the lows. I made snot come out my nose. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Wow.
My name's Michael Wilson. Got a shop, Tate Tunes, out of Marion, North Carolina. Got 4 NSV6 18s in a 4th order. And they're on 2 Sundown Audio Team 10Ks. Got 8 Neo Pro 8s in the doors. And then the new SA 3-inch and SA 1-inch tweeters on the 8 pillars. Wow. And it's 150 amp hour bank of skip and 2 McMahon 400 amp alternators.
You did all the install stuff too?
Yep.
Nice.
I built the whole thing.
And this is like really built in the vehicle, like all the way. Yeah. Wow. How many cubes do you, if you remember roughly?
Yeah, so the bottom is 3 cubes per sub. Okay. And then it's a 2.5 to 1 ratio. So there's about 30 cubes up top, and the front is 2 to 43.
It's a big box. Wow.
Yeah.
Man. And yeah, I remember a couple years ago you had 618s no wall.
Yeah.
And then you decided to go bandpass. How do you like bandpass versus like a ported box?
It's night and day difference.
Night and day. Yeah. I mean, you can't even compare it. Yeah.
No. And it was destroying my car, just the flex.
Yeah.
And now it's just a lot better.
Oh yeah. What's the sealed section size per sub?
3 cubes per sub.
3 cubes. Okay.
They only need like 2.5.
Yeah.
But I wanted to be able to play a little lower.
A little more windy load. Yeah. And the power on these subs, I'm sure you could probably, they could handle more, but they're doing great. You think they can handle more? I don't know how much you clamped on it. Like maybe
25K.
Really? Oh, those amps put more than 10K then? Oh, okay. I'm still learning the newer stuff. Yeah. That's crazy. I thought you were giving maybe 4K or something. That's a lot of power. Wow.
And that's on a burr. You know, demo and music is probably
It's still impressive. Man.
Yeah, man.
Man, you've done a good job keeping everything in shape, even though the bass is insane pressure.
Dude, I don't get it.
You don't get it?
I mean, like everybody else, you know, their vehicles just fall apart. I'm thinking, having this. I did a lot of sound deadening, and like, you know, filled everything with foam. So try to make everything as solid.
Keeps it from the pressure gets absorbed more when you do that.
Yeah.
Actually hits the person harder.
Yeah.
Really good job.
Thanks, brother.
Wow, beautiful. Oh, these are the Team 10Ks, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. That looks good. Look under the hood. Looking forward to hearing it.
I'll give you another one a little lower.
Okay.
Really show you the range of it.
Yeah.
It amazed me, man, honestly.
Yeah. It's an efficient box, the way you built it.
Yeah. I'm gonna seal this like, when I play like anything under 26, I gotta seal one side.
Unload one of the sides of the window.
Yeah. Give you a little door flex.
Okay.
Don't let me down easy if you're gonna leave me, baby. go and leave me all the way. Don't ask for all your things back, cussing out my name, yeah, just to go and take back what you say. Burn all the bridges, don't ask forgiveness, walk away like I'm someone you hate. Don't let me down easy. If you're gonna leave me, baby, go and leave me. Oh.
Regular time.
I'm hearing voices in my head. There's no way to escape. Think of me anytime, anywhere. My mind in the air. Surround me. Surround me. See, I got love. Never leave, we will fight. You know.
That up, that low frequency just it throws even better. Yeah, it hits your chest on the low. Flapping my everything made snot come out my nose. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop